everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you hide or unhide songs in Spotify. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Spotify account, to your library, and in your library you have all your liked videos and your playlist. Open up a specific playlist of your desire, and after that you have to select a song. Open up a song. After opening that specific song, you have to just tap on the three dots in the top right of the screen, or you can just hold on the song for a while and it will show you the options. In the options you'll find the option of hide this songs. Tap on it. That very song will be hidden. To unhide it, move forward and again open up that very playlist from which you have hidden the songs. Open it and again tap on it and hold it for a while and it will show you the options. In these options you will find the option of hidden, and you have to tap on it again and your song will be unhidden. It will go back to its normal condition. So that's how you can hide or unhide your songs. I hope you like the video and I hope this video will help you a lot in any way, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Following these steps you can hide or unhide your songs on your Spotify.